Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. I'm going to read the remote learning calendar for today. For ELA, which you should be practicing for about 1 hour, you're going to begin with foundations. So click on this link and watch your foundations video. Your mini lesson today is about the author's message. Watch this brain pop video, and here is your username and your password. After watching the video, take the easy quiz that follows. For independent reading, you're going to log on to Epic and read for 30 minutes. And your read aloud today is a read aloud with Miss Allison from our Goddard Library. In writing, you're going to answer the following questions about the read aloud. 1. What facts did you learn about the history of basketball? 2. Do you think this book is fiction or nonfiction? Why do you think that? 3. How did the author make this story interesting to their readers? Here are some sentence frames. I learned blank. This book is fiction or nonfiction because blank. The author made the book interesting by blank. Here is a word bank to use. Clinch, dribble, finals, league, opponent, season. Or Mrs. Gusha or Miss McHugh's ESL students can click on here for activities. On to math. You're going to log into Extra Math and practice for 15 minutes. Your word problem of the day. Solve this using tens. Okay. Mrs. Gusha had some stickers. She bought 30 more. Now she has 36 stickers. How many stickers did she have to start with? Here's your mini lesson for today. We'll review how to subtract tens on a hundreds chart. Watch this video and then complete this worksheet here. All right, on to science. Activity, life on a farm, different types of farms. Click on the link below and choose a virtual tour of any type of farm. Then answer the following questions about the farm you toured. So there you go, there's your link there. 1, what type of farm did you tour? 2, why do we need this farm? 3, what jobs need to be done on the farm you toured? Here are some sentence frames. 1, I saw a blank farm. 2, we need a blank farm because blank. 3, farmers blank on a blank farm. All right, now on to social studies, and we're going to be talking about a leader's actions. In some cases, when you think the person you have elected before has done a good job, you will have the chance to re-elect that person, which means that they will continue to do the job they were elected to do. This is where it is important to pay attention to what the people we elect do while they have the job they are elected for. First, for this lesson, we are going to look at 2 pretend news networks, the Disney News Network, DNN, and Duck News Network, Duck News. Both of these networks have been covering the presidency of President Mickey Mouse. It is important to keep in mind that Minnie Mouse and Goofy run DNN and Donald Duck runs Duck News. Consider this. Say you were watching the Duck News Network and you heard that President Mickey Mouse wanted to shut down our local hospitals because he wanted to use the money that supports the hospital to buy himself a new mansion outside of Disney World. Now, while Donald Duck was reporting this information, you can also see that he is making some silly faces and really doesn't seem to be taking things seriously. The only picture being displayed during this newscast is a picture of Donald himself wearing his captain's hat and standing on his boat. Try this. Answer the questions below using the sentence frame. Do you think the news report you are hearing is true? Why or why not? I think the news report is blank because blank. You also have many great additional activities for the week. I have read the math problems. I have read Miss Coyle's art projects. There's a music activity here. Click on the link. There is physical movement activities. Today I'm going to read Miss Lavoie's bike safety lesson. Bike safety is really important. Bike riding is a fun activity and good for your health. There are a couple of safety rules to remember when riding your bike. You should always wear a helmet, proper clothes and footwear, and pay attention to where you bike ride. Think about the following questions. 1. Did you wear a helmet the last time you rode your bike? What did you have on your feet? 2. How does a helmet keep you safe? 3. What could happen if you fell off your bike and were not wearing a helmet? Read this article, Bike Safety for Kids. Look at these pictures here. Now you're going to circle the correct answer here. These questions are true or false. Number 1, always wear a helmet when riding your bike. Is that true or false? 2, you can go to the hospital due to bike injuries. True or false? 3, it's a good idea to wear flip-flops when riding a bike. True or false? 4, always ride in the same direction as the traffic. True or false? 5, hand signals can keep you safe when riding a bike. True or false? You can also create a cool bike helmet using markers, crayons, or colored pencils. All right, so plenty of activities to keep you learning for your 3.5 hours today. Don't forget to share all of your work with your teachers and have a wonderful day.